I just want to give a really brief overview what the whole idea of being a Google certified educator is all about. For those that have been interested, those that have asked me quite a bit, let me give you a really quick insight. Okay, so these are a video I made about the reasons why I'm excited because I feel like it benefits me as an educator and so much more. So let me go jump straight into it. Video I made. So really quick, to be able to get a certification with Google for education to be a Google certified educator, you have to go through various steps, and that is why I'm here to assist you with those. Because sometimes if you're going straight into it, it can seem somewhat overwhelming. We have Google for Education Teacher Center, which gives you tools for training, the certification and what it's all about, resources, and even communities of others that are doing the same thing that you're attempting to do, and you'll do great. So, level one is basically just the fundamentals of Google tools to be able to showcase that you are able to fly through the various different applications that Google provides. Educator level two shows that you are a little above and beyond. You're an advanced technology integrated Google Educator. So that makes you level two. And then there's some other things available: certified trainer, certified innovator, and actually I'm working on the certified trainer certification right now as we speak. So um, I would say you can go ahead and navigate over here. It all falls in together, and these are outline of the various tools that are available, the products. We have G Suite, what I've been talking about, Classroom, various assignments, Chromebooks, the platforms, and all of these things integrate with the various teaching resources, maybe coding, digital literacy, all of these things. Depending on what you teach, you can dive straight into the various different um, applications and programs that go along with Google for Education. Really briefly, it'll give you an outline on what Google Suite is all about. These are some of the applications, and let me go ahead and go straight to my drive. It gives you an outline or just an overview. See, I've color coded my drive, and here we go. When we're looking at Google for Education and all of those, if you're going in your drive, and you may already have some of these and some of them you may not if you're not part of a G Suite for Education school district, but there's certain and many things that you can do without being part of that. So when you click on the waffle, this is the waffle, you'll be able to access Google Classroom, Gmail, which plays a really big part and has great features that are excellent tools for you to be able to organize yourself. We have Drive, and that's what I'm in right now. Google Slides, Google Sheets, Docs. We have Google Meet, Sites, which my students love. I've integrated that in my class. We have Google Calendar. I think I already passed that by. Yes, there it is, Google Calendar right here. And let me go back on more. And then we have Google Keeps, Earth, great for social studies and science, and Google Maps. I utilize Google My Maps, my Google Maps, which students allow students to be able to create their own maps, and I can get a little more into detail. Google Forms for surveys and quizzes and tests, and of course YouTube is part of Google as well, and it gives you an edge over everyone else because you can actually record your lessons if you choose, or you can encourage your students to utilize YouTube in various ways, and you integrate it into your lesson or even beyond. So that's just something I wanted to share. So much to share in so little time. And I know teacher time is so precious and valuable. So I didn't want to keep you too long, but I appreciate your few minutes of patience to listen to what Google for Education and the certifications are all about. I'm available to assist at any point in time because that journey takes you so far and beyond. Sometimes it can be overwhelming, but I'm here for that. I am the Google Educator. Feel free to reach out via email, and a link will be below the video. Thank you.